City life is exciting and difficult. Cities offer many job and cultural options. Restaurants, stores, and public transportation are also nearby. However, cities can be noisy, crowded, expensive, and unsafe with few green spaces. Let's talk about the positives and negatives of living in a city. City life is very different from life in the countryside. In a city, there are many buildings, roads, and people. There is always something going on, whether it's day or night. People in cities live in apartments or houses and often work in offices or shops. There is always somewhere to go and something to do, whether it's shopping, visiting a museum, or going to the park. One of the benefits of living in a city is that there are many job opportunities. People can find work in many different fields, such as finance, healthcare, and education. There are also many schools and universities in cities, which means that children can receive a good education. Cities also have good transportation systems, such as buses and trains, which makes it easy for people to get to work or go shopping. However, city life can also have its downsides. One of the biggest problems is traffic. There are often a lot of cars and trucks on the roads, which can make it difficult to get around. Another problem is pollution. There are many factories and businesses in cities, which can release harmful chemicals into the air and water. This can be harmful to people's health, as well as the environment. Despite these problems, many people enjoy living in cities. They love the energy and excitement that comes with city life. There is always something new and exciting happening, and there are many opportunities to meet new people and make new friends. Cities also have many cultural attractions, such as museums, art galleries, and theaters, which provide opportunities to learn and be entertained. City life can be expensive, though. Rent and other living expenses, such as food and transportation, can be high. This can be a challenge for people who have limited income or are just starting out. But for many people, the benefits of city life outweigh the costs. They enjoy the diverse community and the many opportunities that cities offer. In conclusion, city life has its pros and cons. It offers many job opportunities, good schools, and cultural attractions, but it can also be expensive and have traffic and pollution problems. Despite these challenges, many people enjoy living in cities and find that the energy and excitement of city life is worth it. Whether city life is right for you depends on your personal preferences and priorities. Never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Learn English very quickly. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.